So, what do I think of Ref Wayne? Some of my friends call him Dr. Ref Wayne. Some people call him Dr. Ref Wayne. I think back in the day, he got an honorary doctorate, I guess, in trading. Basically, getting recognized for being an excellent trader or something like that. I don't know the full story. I think you never know the full story with the likes of Ref Wayne. But I think he's called Dr. Ref Wayne. It's not a doctorate that the ones that you go and study for, but if it's an honorary doctorate, I guess we'll call him Dr. Ref Wayne. So me and my guys, we were just chilling and we were talking about trading, and we also talked about trading in South Africa, the industry, and obviously we started talking about the big names. The big names in South African forex trading. Obviously, you cannot talk about the big names without talking about the likes of Ref Wayne. So somebody asked me, what do I think of Ref Wayne? What do I think of Ref Wayne? First off, I never met him. So it's important that I mention that I've never met him, and he doesn't know me, and I do not know him personally on a personal basis. I think the only interaction that I had, if you can call it that, the only interaction that I had with the guy was back in the day when he started a project that he called Pipcoin. Who remembers Pipcoin? I don't know if you still remember Pipcoin. And I actually lost some money with that project of his. It was advertised all over. I remember I even went and advertised it at what was it, Shepherd Bushiri's church and stuff like that. And I was thinking, wow, this guy is brilliant. He's creating Africa's first cryptocurrency or something like that. I remember those days were the days where we also had a famous pyramid scheme that was going around. What was it called? Triple M. Triple M. So the way that I also got awareness of crypto was because the guys around me were doing this Triple M thing. And because the nature of this Triple M, they were trying to hide financial transactions, I think. So people would end up buying Bitcoin. So they would transact using Bitcoin. Nobody knew that you can trade Bitcoin. And then back then, Bitcoin was just nothing. I think people would buy Bitcoin for something like 1,000 Rand or 2,000 Rand or something like that. Now it's something else. So from there, people also got involved in Pipcoin. That's a runabout where Pipcoin also came about. So it's almost sort of used a similar model to that Triple M pyramid scheme. So that's probably my interaction with Ref Wayne. The guys who were doing Triple M, and I stayed out of Triple M. Then they moved over to Pipcoin, and then they convinced me. They convinced me to join Triple M. Well, because it's by one of us. It's by a South African. So I ended up taking a plunge, and unfortunately, I lost some money in Pipcoin when it just closed with my 10,000 Rand. Back then, it was serious money. So that's probably my bad experience with Ref Wayne. But what do I still think about the guy? Even after that, I still respected him. Even after that, I still respected him. Why do I respect the guy? The guy is a hustler. I think you have to hand it to him. You have to hand it to him. The guy is a hustler. He knows how to look for his bread. That's what I learned with the Pipcoin thing. So he knows how to market whatever he's doing. I think he's written some books nowadays and stuff like that. The guy is a good marketer. I think the thing that also separates guys like us and the guys like Trump and whoever, I think it's also because they are not doing something special, but those guys are good marketers. I think that's the genius of Ref Wayne. My thinking is that the guy knows how to market himself, how to market his products. Whether the products work or whether they're genuine, or that's another story. So I take my hat off to him for that, and I also take my hat off to him. Despite the other stuff, I know people want me to talk about the other stuff. Of course, he has done some stuff. It's not just Pipcoin. I know people have accused him of when he started mentorship of taking stuff off baby pips, I think, and repackaging it and selling it to students and stuff like that. But still, you then recognize that the guy is a hustler. People are lazy to look for information online, so he goes to baby pips, packages it up, and sells it to people. That's hustling. That's hustling, if you ask me. So, what then do I think about him? I think I will respect him, and I will always, remember him for being one of the guys who seriously created awareness of this thing called Forex trading in South Africa. I think it was Refwayne, Jason Noah. This was before all these other traders that we now have. I think it was him, Jason Noah. I'm forgetting the other guys. Some of them just disappeared amid scandals and stuff like that, of using their mentorships, abusing the mentees and stuff like that, selling shady forex systems, selling a whole lot of other stuff. It was like the wild west. But my point is, these guys, they sort of laid the foundation of what forex trading is in South Africa today. They helped to create awareness of this thing that's called forex trading. I'm not saying before Refwayne, nobody in South Africa knew about forex trading. No, there were people who knew about forex trading in South Africa. I remember the first time I heard about this forex trading thing, I think it was around 2011, from a guy that I was working with, but we did not know how it works, how it's done, because back then he just told me that he knows a guy who is doing this thing on the internet and is making a lot of money and stuff like that. And I think around about 2015 thereabouts, that's when 2015 2016, that's when Refwayne and the other guys sort of exploded on the scene, and they were really pushing this forex trading, cash flow noble, and all those other guys. They were really pushing this forex trading thing. So there's a lot of stuff about Refwayne. People love to call him a clown, to drag his name and whatever. Yes, he probably did a lot of all that stuff. But if you ask me what I think about Refwayne, I think he's a hustler. I think he's an entrepreneur. I think he's very intelligent. I think he's a good marketer. That's what I think. And in the end, I also appreciate him for him and the other guys. I also appreciate them for basically creating the awareness of this industry that was hidden to most of us, that is called forex trading, that almost every kid nowadays is running with. So my hat off to guys like him and the other guys who kind of laid the foundation of the industry in South Africa. I'm not saying they discovered it or they started with it. It was there long before them. But these guys, they pushed it. They marketed it. At the end of the day, many more people became aware of this thing called forex trading. So what do you think of Refwayne? What do you think of Refwayne? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I certainly would also want to hear what you think about the guy. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.